Hey everyone! So, Google DeepMind came out with this framework for AI levels. It's like karate belts, but instead of black belt, you get existential dread. Level 0 is no AI. That's just a calculator. Which is funny because in school my teacher said you won't always have a calculator in your pocket. And now I've got one in my pocket, on my wrist, in my fridge, and it's also trying to sell me crypto. Level 1 is emerging AI. Performs better than an unskilled human. Basically, it's like ChatGPT or Gemini. So yeah, it's smarter than your cousin Kyle. But only if Kyle's drunk. Ask it to write a poem. Boom! Ask it to plan a vacation. Ooh. Ask it to fold laundry. Error 404. Motor skills not found. Level 2 is competent AI. That's Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. You know, the ones that are supposed to be helpful but mostly just gaslight you. Like, hey, Siri, play Beyonce. And Siri's like, playing Nickelback. That's not competence, that's sabotage. Level 3 is expert AI, better than 90% of trained adults. That's Grammarly, which is great. Unless you're writing poetry. Because suddenly your heartfelt love letter becomes, roses are red. This comma is misplaced. Please consider rephrasing. Level 4 is master AI, better than 99% of humans. That's AlphaGo, Deep Blue. These AIs are so good at board games. They don't just beat you, they ruin family game night. Like, imagine Monopoly with Alpha Zero. You're still counting your change? And it's already built a blockchain-backed hotel empire in Park Place? Level 5 is superhuman AI, surpasses all humans. That's AlphaFold, Alpha Zero. These things are solving protein folding, while I'm still folding fitted sheets. Seriously, if AI ever figures out how to fold a fitted sheet, that's when I'll believe in the singularity. But here's the kicker. AGI itself? Still stuck at level 1. So basically we've got AIs that can beat the world champion at Go, but can't figure out how to stop recommending me the same YouTube video I already watched. We're living in the future, but the future still can't tell the difference between play jazz and play Jaws. So yeah, we're all worried about superhuman AI taking over the world. Meanwhile, my smart speaker still thinks my name is Jason and keeps calling me at 3 a.m. to ask if I want to upgrade my cloud storage. If that's level 1, I think humanity's safe for a while. Thank you. You've been a great audience. Don't forget to tip your AI. It's working for exposure.